Having trouble placing an order on Doordash? Here are some quick fixes to get you back to enjoying your meal. First, force the close the app. This refreshes the software and clears minor glitches. If you are an iPhone user, swipe up from the bottom of your screen. Find the Doordash tab in the app queue. Swipe up to force close it. If you are an Android user, go to Settings, tap on Apps, select Doordash, and tap Force Close. If it is still not working, try uninstalling and reinstalling the app. This clears out corrupted caches files that may be causing issues. Delete the Doordash app, go to the App Store or Google Play Store, download and reinstall Doordash. Next, check your internet connection. If Wi-Fi is unstable, switch to mobile data or reset your router. And outdated apps can have bugs. Updating Doordash might solve the issue. Open the App Store or Play Store. Search for Doordash. Tap Update if available. If the app still doesn't work, try placing your order through the Doordash website. It's often more stable. If nothing else works, reach out to Doordash support. You can contact them through their support page or call for quicker assistance. Hopefully one of these fixes helped. Now sit back, relax and enjoy your meal. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more quick tech fixes.